Ever woken up to the sound of your own snoring? Here are some tips to help you reduce it. First, maintain a healthy weight. Too much weight, especially around the neck, can narrow your airways, causing snoring. So, eat healthily and exercise regularly. Sleeping on your back can also cause snoring. Try sleeping on your side to keep your airway open. Ever thought about the angle of your pillow? Elevating your head can help keep your airways open and reduce snoring. Be careful with alcohol and sedatives before bed. They can relax throat muscles and increase snoring. Hydration is key. Dehydration can lead to thicker nasal secretions, which can exacerbate snoring. So drink plenty of water. Got a stuffy nose? Nasal congestion can